Hello students and welcome to Vidya Deep, your school's very own digital learning platform. This video will assist you in making the best use of this digital learning environment. You can access Vidya Deep using a smartphone, a tablet, a desktop or a laptop. It is compatible with both Android as well as iOS operating systems. If you are a first-time user, let me guide you to download and install the app. Access the Marketplace app on your smartphone to download and install Vidya Deep. If you're using an Android phone, tap the Play Store icon. Or if you're using an iPhone, tap the App Store icon. Now, type Vidya Deep up in the search bar. From the suggested options, tap the link with the Mindtree School logo, titled as Vidya Deep. Now tap the Install button. Once the app is installed, open the app. As you open the app, you will see the login page where you need to enter your username and password. Enter the username and password provided to you by the school. And hey, don't forget to tick the Remember Me box for quick and easy logins in future. Now tap the Login button. Once you log in, you will see the home screen, which will feature the grade you belong to and also the list of your subjects. You can scroll sideways to check the list of subjects. To choose a subject, just tap the subject thumbnail. Once you select the subject, you will get to see the list of chapters from the subject. You may scroll up and down to browse through the entire index. Here, you will also be able to track how much content you've consumed from every chapter. For each chapter, you will have 4 different learning resources, which is Watch, Think, Solve, and Play. Let us first explore Watch. The Watch features concept-based instructional video modules. The average time for each video is only about 5 to 7 minutes long. You may even adjust the speed of the audio for your convenience. Watch the videos anytime, anywhere, and as many times as you like to revise the concepts for clarity. Let's now move to Think. The Think features MCQ tests designed to build content mastery. Attempt the test anytime, anywhere, and as many times until you score 100%. Every time you submit the test, you will get an instant result. This result will highlight your current score, your best score from all the previous attempts, and it will also help you track your content mastery over the chapter with every attempt. Don't forget to review your test to learn and improve upon your challenges. Refer to the explanation provided to clear your doubts. Now, Solve. Solve features subjective question papers that offer the much essential writing practice. Separate model answer sheets have also been provided for self-assessment. Students can download and print the question papers. And now, Play. The Play features games designed around the concepts from syllabus. Students can have fun testing their recall and application of concepts in their leisure time. Students will also earn reward points on completion of every resource from every chapter and every subject. Top users will be felicitated every month with a Student of the Month certificate. To track your mission completion, click on the Progress icon. The analytics will help you track your efforts invested per chapter, per subject. You may also use the web portal as well to access the same content. Log in to myschool.questplus.in and enter the same username and password. The web version of the app offers the same features. For any technical assistance like challenges with logins or difficulty in recollecting password, you may click the profile icon to view the support ID. You may send an email from your personal ID to support@questplus.in. When you write the mail, please do not forget to mention the following details: name of the student, name of the school, admission number, class, division and roll number, along with the query. The support team will revert as soon as possible. So dear students, get set for Vidya Deep, your school's own digital learning platform. We wish you a great academic journey with your new study buddy. So, all the best!